Ellie, can you swim to the steps?
Yeah.
Swim to the steps. Good job. Can you run, run, run?
That was forwards. You do backwards. Do backwards.
Can you get out and jump to Daddy?
Wait, that didn't count. It's too shallow.
Need help?
Minnie's gonna jump with you? Go see Daddy and jump to him. This way.
That's okay, we can go down there. Ellie. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good jump. A bug? Oh, it's a beetle. Let's get it out. Is that funny?
A beetle.
I'm like, what's a beetle?
Can you come swim to the steps? Nice running.
Good breathing.
Mommy, I jump.
You gonna jump
Good
again?
job.
Alright, Dad will go down here so you can jump again.
Can you get wet this time?
I think you can.
Good job, Ellie.
Okay, Elle, ready? Come on. Over here. 1, 2, 3, jump. You got your head wet. Yay!
Yay!
You got Daddy wet too. Look at Daddy, he's all wet.
Daddy, go underwater.
Go underwater? Okay.
Mommy, Daddy, get up.
He can't hear you. He's underwater.
That's so funny.
She was yelling at you to get up. Oh, okay. I didn't know if you could hear.
No, I can hear it.
Vibrated underwater. Come to the stairs. Running place. Good job. All right, say goodbye, camera.
Wait, Grandma.
See you later.